Namaskaram. Welcome to Shrews Eternity's Tube Eternity video. In this session, we'll be showing you around 15 mull cotton sarees, all with block printing work done on it, all priced at 1680. With that, we'll start the show. Yeah, so this is saree number 1, Y1, priced at 1680. So the full body has floral block printing work done on it. That's the full saree with the borders. The borders are also worked. That's the pallu, the peacock designs on it and floral designs, block printing work done on it. And that's the blouse, worked blouse. Saree number Y1 priced at 1680. Moving on to saree number Y2 priced at 1680. People who'd like to buy, please please go to our website, which is www.shrewseternity.com. There is a link called Tube Eternity. You can click on the link, look at the sarees and buy directly from our website. So this is saree number Y2, priced at 1680. This also has a similar floral block printing work done on it. The borders are also block printed work in black. That's the pallu. Yeah. Floral work on it, and that's the blouse. Yeah. So saree number Y2 priced at 1680. Saree number Y3 priced at 1680. For a better viewing experience, please click on the full image button so that you can look at the full video. It will show you the full saree. So this is Y3, saree number Y3 priced at 1680. This has block printing work in floral design, a sort of a mango design. That's the pallu, and a worked blouse. That's the blouse. Saree number Y3 priced at 1680. Saree number Y4 priced at 1680. This is sort of a red in color. People who'd like to buy, please log into our website, which is www.shrewseternity.com. There is a tab called Tube Eternity where you can find all these sarees. Click on the saree that you like and directly proceed to the payment options. So this is saree number Y3 priced at 1680. So this is red in color with the floral block printing work done on the full saree. The borders also have block printing work on it. That's the pallu with peacock design on brown strips, and that's the blouse. Saree number Y4 priced at 1680. Moving on to saree number Y5 priced at 1680. Our website link and other details will be provided in the description for your reference. You can take a look and then proceed to buy. Saree number Y5 priced at 1680. This is sort of a blackish cream in color with the red combination. That's the full saree with floral block printing work on it. That's the pallu, has peacock and floral block printing work, and that's the blouse. Saree number Y5 priced at 1680. Saree number Y6 priced at 1680. So this is a beautiful red combination. It goes very well with what the kurti that she's wearing. Yeah, so that's the full saree with block printing work on it. That's the pallu, peacock and floral block printing work done on it, and that's the blouse. Saree number Y6 priced at 1680. Yeah, saree number Y7 priced at 1680. This is sort of a maroonish combination with black. That's the full saree with floral block printing work on it. That's the body and the border. That's the pallu, and that's the blouse, a contrast cream colored blouse. Saree number Y7 priced at 1680. Yeah, saree number Y8 priced at 1680. Is red in color, reddish maroon in color. Has full block printing work done on the body. That's the full saree. Yeah. That's the pallu in cream and brown, a beautiful pallu, and a contrast blouse with floral block printing work and borders. Saree number Y8 priced at 1680. Yeah, saree number Y9 priced at 1680. This is also reddish maroon in color with full floral block printing work on it. The borders also have a floral block printing work done on it. That's the full saree with the border. That's the pallu. Yeah, and that's the blouse, a contrast cream color blouse with borders. Saree number Y9 priced at 1680. Yeah, saree number Y10 priced at 1680. This is reddish maroon with a creamish block printing, floral block printing work on the body. That's the full saree with the border. That's the pallu in maroon and red, floral block printing work on it, and that's the blouse, a contrast cream colored blouse with blue colored floral block printing work. Saree number Y10 priced at 1680. Yeah, so this is saree number Y11 priced at 1680. This is cream and black combination with red borders. That's the full saree with the border. That's the pallu with block printing floral work on it. That's the blouse with block printing work. Saree number Y11 priced at 1680. Saree number Y12 priced at 1680. This is a similar color combination. The body has a different floral block printing work on it. Black and cream combination with red borders, reddish maroon borders. That's the full saree with the border. That's the pallu, a striped pallu and block printing work. And that's the blouse, contrast blouse. Saree number Y12 priced at 1680. Yeah, saree number Y13 priced at 1680. This is a lovely blue, black and cream combination with maroon borders, sort of reddish maroon borders. That's the full saree with the border, a beautiful saree. That's the pallu with maroon strips and peacock designs on the border. That's the blouse. Saree number Y13 priced at 1680. Saree number Y14 priced at 1680. People who like to buy, please log into our website, which is www.shruseternity.com. You can find a tab called Tube Eternity on the top. Click on it to take a look at all the products that was displayed in the video, and you can directly proceed to the payment options. Saree number Y14 priced at 1680. This is a lovely maroon and brown and creamish combination with red borders. That's the full saree with block printing work, floral block printing work on it. That's the pallu. Yeah, and that's the blouse, a contrast cream colored blouse. Saree number Y14 priced at 1680. Yeah, last saree for the session. Saree number Y15 priced at 1680. This is a lovely maroon colored saree with cream floral block printing work on the full body. Borders also have a similar kind of work. That's the pallu in cream and maroon with peacock block printing work, floral block printing work. That's the blouse with full floral block printing work on the blouse body. Saree number Y15 priced at 1680. People who like to buy, please log into our website, which is www.shruseternity.com. Click on the website. There is a tab called Tube Eternity where you can find all the products that were displayed in the video. Click on whichever you want to buy and proceed to the payment options. Thank you for shopping with us. Thank you for taking a look at our videos. Please subscribe to our channel for more such updates. Happy shopping and stay safe. Bye-bye.